Well, though, again, YouTube, AJ Shaver here. We just brought in a gooseneck load worth of Halverson wood processors. We did bring in 3 of the 120 models and 1 of the 150. Well, it seems like it's winter again here in northeastern Pennsylvania, even though it's the end of March, bumping on April, because it's only like 17 degrees outside right now. But we did bring in 3 of these 120 units. We did 2 of them with the adjustable 4-way, and the middle one there has the adjustable 6-way on it. It is a manually adjustable 6-way and manually adjustable 4-way. Kind of see the holes punched in there. You pull out this pin and then you can work the wedge up and down for wherever you need. But you know, if you don't really want to work it manually, well, then we can step into the all-new 150 version of this, and we do it with a hydraulically adjustable 6-way. Yep, that's right. There's the little splitter ram, not splitter ram, but adjustable ram that works the 6-way wedge. We can also do this with a 4-way, but we opted to bring this one in as a 6-way. And the other defining difference is the grabber arm. It's definitely oversized, and now it clamps up and down in line with the log versus pushing it straight forward. And of course, the monster bar and chain on this thing. It is rated for about I think it's 23 inch diameter. It's right off of the big grapple saw, the GS 125 heavy duty. So I don't think these are going to last long. They are available immediately here in Dallas, Pennsylvania. The zip code is 18612. All right, pricing. Today is March the 29th, 2022, and the HWP-150 does retail for $21,500. The Halverson 120s with a 4-way are $10,200, and the 6-way one there in the middle, we do the 6-way in lieu of the 4-way for an additional $250. So you're looking $10,450 for that one in the middle. They are all set up for the 14-pin plug-and-play. You need 5 function buttons for the 120s, and you need 6 for the 150 because of the hydraulically adjustable splitter wedge on it. In the little box there, at the 150, I do have some in-cab controllers for them, so if your skid steer is not blessed enough to have the 14-pin adapter, we can still set you up, and we'll zip tie those right into the controls. Again, these are anything, they will run on anything 15.5 gallons a minute at 2850 PSI with a case drain is what's required. And so, if we can get you a quote, let me know. And again, these are available right here in Dallas, Pennsylvania, and we can ship them directly to you, so please let me know. You can reach me. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me, sales@shaverequipment.com. And yes, even over here behind me, I have grapple trailers in stock. Yes, grapple trailers. They're here. Come get them, along with a Halverson. Maybe I'll even package deal something together. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.